the tricky question is the European level we're having in Europe 27 member states, and we're having national interests which are playing, and we have national energy mixes, and we will always have this. On the other side, we're having the European the internal energy market, which is now growing and should be finalized by 2014 if we believe the Commission. There's still a lot of work to do to finalize this, and energy storage for the moment is stopping in the boundaries of the borders. So you're not going anywhere for balancing internationally. In very specific cases it's possible, but in a general frame it's not done. So in order to create this, we need a European approach. This is mandatory for me to get this done. So we need European regulations, and they must be applicable in 27 member states. And this is the tricky part, to have a European approach which has local impact and will manage a local grid or local part, regional balancing, because electricity, even if it's traded on the European market, you don't have a European copper plate, you will have local restrictions, and you need to apply overall European regulation in local regional context. I think it's very early now to define which standard would be the right one, because if you look at technological development, the storage technologies still do evolve. There are some standards for specific products. There are for battery standards, the normation, the size of batteries, the cells. There are some standards there. There are standards about the system, about the grid, the frequency, the time for the reserve, and so on and so on. There are some standards existing where technology can provide and work into it. I don't think you can provide for every single technology a technological standard on how they should be, because they are tailor-made solutions. You can have it for some components maybe, but not difficult for the overall system to make a standard. But you should push then for other activities, like implement best available technologies. So you explain, and this is a living idea which we have now in Europe. If you look at any installation which you do, you must apply best available technologies. So this means that you need to develop the technologies further, and when you permit a new item, permit a new plant, a new balancing item, whatever it is, then you apply the best available technologies. And by this approach, you will have the most efficient way, and you will create European also excellence, which is necessary for Europe and for the European industry if you want to be a major player on this global field.